Shamsher Bahadur, also spelled as Samshir Bahadur, aka Krishna Shine, was a Maratha ruler of the Dominion of Banda in northern India. He was the son of Peshwa Bajirao I and Mastani. Early life and career. Shamsher Bahadur was born out of a then controversial union between Peshwa Bajirao I and his second wife Mastani. Bajirao wanted Shamsher Bahadur to be accepted as a Brahmin, but because of his mother's Muslim ancestry, the priests refused to conduct the Hindu Upanayana ceremony for him. His education and military training was conducted in line with other sons of the Peshwa royal family, although Maratha nobles and chiefs did not recognize Mastani as a legitimate wife of the Peshwa. After the death of both Bajirao and Mastani in 1740, Shamsher was taken into the household of Kashibai, Bajirao's first wife, and raised as one of her own. He was bestowed upon a portion of his father's dominion of Banda and Kalpi. In 1761, he and his army contingent were involved in the Third Battle of Panipat between the Marathas and Afghans and died during the battle. Shamsher's successor Ali Bahadur established his authority over large parts of Bundelkhand and became the Nawab of Banda. The descendants of Shamsher Bahadur continued their allegiance towards the Maratha polity, and his grandson, Shamsher Bahadur II, fought the English in the Anglo-Maratha War of 1803.